Hi everyone, this is Galen Martling. Today I am showing a graphic style card. It is an open window that's popped up on the card showing the sentiment. And so this is very quick and easy to do. I use this wonderful large background stamp by Unity, and it is called Just a Number background. I'm also using postage stamp nesting dies by Unity, and I'm using other dies, Say It Big coordinating die set, Blessed and Happy Everything dies, and Falling Stars background die. And these are great to just use however you want. In this case, I just combine stamping with dies. This is stamped using turquoise ink by Gina K Designs right onto a light turquoise cardstock, this background. And so I used 3 passes of stamping with this big stamp. Now this is distressed on purpose. There are little lines going through these numbers on purpose. It's not meant to be exactly solid, and I like that look, especially for like a masculine card or a different style look. And so I went ahead and sort of did a monochromatic look to this background with teal on teal, trimmed it to an A2 size card base, and I am going to use a craft color card base. So I wanted a little more trimming, so I think I ended up making it about 4 by 5 inches. I wanted to make sure this window die was going to fit, and it does. And so, go ahead and finish using a paper trimmer and trimming it to a size that gives me a little border. And then I'm going to kind of find out where I want that die to be in the middle, where I want that window to be. And I just fasten it down with some repositionable tape. I use pixie tape in this case, but you can use washi tape or anything that won't stick permanently there. You want to make sure it stays in place when you run it through your die cutting machine. And so you just, after it's die cut, that center, I have an extra piece to use later on, but for now I'm just going to use the frame part and just kind of place it where I want it to be and add some foam tape. Before I take the backing off of the foam tape, I want to make sure that the sentiment is going to fit nicely onto that card base, that craft card base. So I just leave it there, leave the frame there, and I'm going to stick it down permanently later on. I'm going to place the sentiment in the center first to make sure it's going to show through. It does. I add some glue for the sentiment, the birthday die, and then make sure I clean off any excess glue there that might be left over, and sometimes there is. And so then I go ahead and do the same with the happy sentiment, and I'm going to place the happy sentiment right on top of that stamped panel there, the stamped frame. Now with foam tape, this will pop up. This is going to be raised, so it looks like an open window, and the window will have the sentiment right inside there. It's not really covered up, it's just an open window. It's really nice. It looks so nice in person, very dimensional. You can see the layers there. It looks very nice. This is great for almost anyone, a guy, a girl, anyone. And so there you go. I hope you give it a try. This is very simple to do. It doesn't take very long. Thanks so much for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share if you will. Have a great day.